Meghalaya Post.news.
Chief Secretary ke Jela Meghalaya ba DP walang ulong ba kalong ke badon kam ban yetirlang na banta ban pelujat yo drugs na ke imlang salang hapo ke Jela Meghalaya haba keren sikilat patai kubor ba DP walang ulong ba sorkar klasim ya kisin jam beper ban yakun persya yo drug daga ba penkha ya ka anti narcotic task force ka dream project daga ba penbun ya ki jaka sumar rehabilitation center ba ki wei kisin jam Henry ke badon kam ke dei ban yetirlang bat baro ki kunhun nadu ki dorbar snong bat ki ba namar ban chukem ya ki badi drugs kan na merap ya sarkar ban pelujat ya drug napo ka Jela ong ba DP walang long ba kalong ba don kam ban penbun ka jingpen sto halaki snong ki thau da ki bribot ben da ki dorbar snong ba da ki kenhun niam ya ki lanot bangob how drug.
Of course, it's one area in which we have tried a multi-pronged approach, whether it's from the police side to nab them, the anti-drug squad is already there, and we are looking at the Dream project, which was set up about 2.5 years back. We have a full mission director over there also. But it's very, very important that we have to work in tandem with the local community and local stakeholders. We have increased the number of drug rehabilitation centers also, and we are hoping that by working together with the community, this problem will be resolved. Otherwise, just trying to catch hold of the drug peddlers itself is not the solution. We need a lot of counseling to be done, a lot of talking to the community, talking to the church-based organizations for counseling the victims.
Meghalaya Post.news.